Today, we're going to learn 100 very common English sentences that you can use in everyday life. These sentences will help you to communicate more confidently in various situations. Open the door. Open the door. Close the window. Close the window. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Come here. Come here. Charge your phone. Charge your phone. Push up. Push up. Wear a mask. Wear a mask. Shake hands. Shake hands. Be quiet. Be quiet. Listen to me. Listen to me. Pay attention. Pay attention. Hold on. Hold on. Stir the soup. Stir the soup. Hurry up. Hurry up. Don't move. Don't move. Come with me. Come with me. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Lock the door. Lock the door. Unlock the door. Unlock the door. Answer the phone. Answer the phone. Call me. Call me. Write it down. Write it down. Read this. Read this. Tell me. Tell me. Ask him. Ask him. Speak up. Speak up. Don't lie. Don't lie. Relax. Relax. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Be careful. Be careful. Get dressed. Get dressed. Put it away. Put it away. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Stop it. Stop it. Turn around. Turn around. Look at this. Look at this. Pick it up. Pick it up. Go out. Go out. Sit back. Sit back. Lie down. Lie down. Calm down. Calm down. Put on your coat. Put on your coat. Don't cry. Don't cry. Take your medicine. Take your medicine. Use your turn signal. Use your turn signal. Open your book. Open your book. Take a photo. Take a photo. Seat belt. Seat belt.